Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have another unwrapping for you guys to check this one out. This one's the bike, motorcycle, or ATV mounting handlebar mounting kit. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I got. This one I got it on eBay for $2.99, and then with taxes total is $3.25, but free shipping. So let's go ahead and open this up. It took a while to get here, so I guess that's the barcode number, the item number, and this is came from China. So you can use this for your GoPro or your any of the smartphone mounting kit, and you could even use this for DJI. So this is a quick release leveler right here. So this one grabs onto your handlebar, and this is just an extra piece of mounting kit for the GoPro, and you can just mount your smartphone holder right here. So this one allows you to tilt 180 degrees, or a little bit more than 180. Trying to figure out how to adjust this one. And then on the inside, you got this rubber, so you have a good grab, so it doesn't slip off or anything like that. So I'm not sure about this. This might be the wrong screw because it closed up that tie already. So imagine if you have a smaller or thinner handlebar, you might need an open screw because this one is capped off. So it doesn't allow you to adjust further downward. And then this, what? Oh, okay. So that's a screw. There's like a bar right there. It's allow you to screw, make a tighter fit. I see. So this is pretty cool then. At first I thought, what? How are you supposed to adjust it? So if you grab on your handlebar like that, and how you supposed to adjust this upward? Kind of confused. Oh, okay, like that then. So you will need to put, like, for example, this is your handlebar right here, and then put your GoPro or your smartphone holder, and this adjusts to tilt left or right. Yes, or if you want up and down, you just need to rotate it like that before you make a tight fit on this. All right. So yeah, for $3.25, cannot complain. It looks pretty heavy duty build. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.